Greetings friends. In this video, we will build cool vertical gates with the help of the Crete mod, which will be perfect for your castle. Before the video starts, I would like to say hello to the following commentators: Wolf TV, Loki Senate and Prince Joker. And yes, you can also get into the video if you write something cool and unusual, and we're starting. For construction, we will need an oak fence, a linear chassis, clots of mucus, any blocks. The source of rotation, I took a creative motor. Reversible mechanism of wireless transmission of the red stone signal in the amount of 2 pieces. It's important. A mechanized lever, latch, a stone button or some other source of a restun signal on the example of a lever. Redstone torch won't do. For convenience, we will also need a wrench and, most importantly, a winch. We take it all and start building. Stage 1. We begin to fill this space with a fence. You are not limited by the width of your gates, but there are height restrictions, no more than 16. And now I'll show you why. Next, you need to install linear chassis, but not in this way, but see how correctly. It is necessary that this edge looks at your fence. Therefore, now we will do the same fraud with all 3 fences and remove the excess. The next stage, with the right mouse button, you should put slime on this side of the linear chassis. Let's take a wrench and aim at the linear chassis. You will have a number, it shows how many blocks will be attached to this linear chassis. As many as 16 can be chosen, but we need to choose as many as we have the height of our gates. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, we need to put no more than 4 blocks, otherwise we will also capture the blocks that are from below, and we do not need it. Above any of these linear chassis we have to install a winch. The height where the winch is located determines how far our gates will rise. Let's check how it all works for us. Let's feed the torque of our winch, nothing happens, because we need to change the torque to negative. Change from 16 to -16. So, well, let's -20. The winch has started to descend, now it will connect. Alright, now we will change it back to 16 or to any positive torque. And look, our gate is actually already completed. It remains only to automate it. We take the reversing mechanism and connect it to our winch. It changes the torque to the opposite if a restun signal is applied to it. We will also connect some kind of rotating moment to it. Not necessarily a creative motor, any source of kinetic energy. We have selected 16. Now we need to put our mechanized lever, latch to the reversing mechanism. Place it so that this red torch looks in this direction. Now we need to install 2 wireless signal transmitters as follows. We put some kind of block, we install a stone button on it, and somewhere on this block, or rather to any of its facets, we install our wireless red stone signal transmitter. Let's set the purity by taking some random block and clicking on these slots here, holding it in your hand. We put the second wireless transmitter next to our latch lever. We choose the same purity, just click on the same blocks. Next, we will release our hand, hold the shift and press the right mouse button, we will have such an antenna. Now this wireless transmitter is receiving the signal. And now, if we press this button, we will have a signal emitted and the gate will begin to descend. If you send some signal to the latch lever, it will generate a continuous redstone signal, which is what we need. Pressing the button again changes the direction of rotation, respectively lowering or raising our gate. And I have all my friends, I hope this video was useful to you, and Durka was with you, thank you, bye.